Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about the best phone tripod that I have ever owned. This is the EUCOS phone tripod and also a selfie stick. And my favorite part about it is that it's so lightweight. It's very easy to take with you in your backpack or even in your hand, and it's super easy to set up. This tripod is made out of very good materials. It's made out of aluminum, so it's very resistant, it's very strong, but at the same time it's super lightweight and it's very easy to extend it all the way. And a very cool feature is that you can also rotate it down or up, which is super cool when I'm making videos where I have to aim the phone down. And it comes with a Bluetooth clicker that you can easily connect to your phone to take pictures from far. And EUCOS really thought of everything. It even has a little spot on the side of the leg so you can just place the clicker and not lose it. So if you're looking for a tripod or selfie stick that you can take on trips that you know will last you a very long time, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.